Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blow, blow, blow.
Blow na yung candle. Blow, clap your hands para kay Happy Carla. So, kami yung wait na si Happy Carla. So, wish daw ni Mami sa kanya maging happy at saka Lord Eve si Baby Carla. Ngayon, Daddy, ano wish niyo para kay Happy Carla? So, kami na rin ang mag-smart at saka maging happy si Baby. So, magtakuha muna ng picture sa Happy Carla with family kahit birthday. So, please, magtakuha na